Okay, good morning Philippines, good all of you, all of us, and then God bless po, God bless. Today, I will give you a short video tutorial about Photoshop CS. Okay, so I will open the software about Photoshop CS, and then first we will go to find in the Google for the background image. So I will choose this kind of image, maybe this, okay, or maybe this, and then I will put it, I will copy it, right click only, and then save image as. Okay, that's it. And then I will download, I will give it a name, just background. Okay, and then another thing, we will find it man walking. This, okay, we will take this kind of picture, and then right click again, and then we save, and then we put the name man walking. Okay, find it another boy begging. Excuse me. Okay, this kind of boy. Okay, so maybe this or what, maybe this na lang, no? So right click again, and then save image as. Okay, then we will get it boy name, boy 1 na lang. Okay, just boy 1. And then we try to get a name for just remembering when we put in the Photoshop. So Control O as open, and then find it first, the boy. This is the boy. Okay, and then another one, man walking. This is the man walking, or even this, no, already there. Open the background, so we can, so this is our background, no? Okay, yeah, maybe this one na lang, no, this one, it's okay. So start, we will take using the pen, no, the pen, letter P, this is the pen. And then if you try to shortcut, just touch the letter P, just like this. Okay, touch the letter P, and then that's it. So we will start here, just like that. Okay, so okay, that's it. Now you have to put here. But if you remove, you have to try to adjust the guide, no? So just hold the control key, and then try to remove here, because it's so yeah. Okay, and then continue. Okay, almost done. And go to the, and then you go back to the pen, just touch the letter P, or maybe it's not okay because we, okay, go to the pen, then go to here, just like that. If you want to cut the guide, you have to just like this, no? Okay, Control J, undo. Okay, if you want to cut this kind of overlapping guide, you have to touch the Alt key and then click here. Okay, so again, that's it now. Yeah, almost there. Almost there. Okay, and then right click after you connect the dot here at the start. You have to right click and then make selection. Okay, after you make selection, just control shift, hold the control shift and then push the touch the letter I. Okay, and then control X. That's it. Okay, the background is gone. So that's it, no? The background is done, but there is another background left, the white background inside. So we go to again the pen and then make a cutting guide. Okay, just like that. Okay, then make selection again and just go to control X just to cut it. That's it. And so that's it, no? Now we transfer this man in the new background we made, no? We put, okay, this is the background, so we have to go to here and then that's it. And then maybe we put here and then try to, if you want to control the shape and not for just a safety reason, no, you have to hold the shift if you want to drag and make it big. Okay, that's why if you want to, that's it. And then maybe we can try to go to here, maybe here or what. Okay, that's it. It's okay. Maybe you have to go to here and then you have to try to put here or what, but that's it. Okay, and then the other boy, we also get it. Okay, just where's the boy? No, then this is the boy, no? We have to cut the background. Okay, we also cut the background here, just like that. Just here, and then this is the connection dot, no? So right click again and then make selection. Okay, right click, then go to make selection. Okay, that's it. And then, by the way, before we delete the background, because the lack of this, just double click. Okay, double click and then the lock is gone. Okay, and then try to control shift I, background can delete. Okay, this is because if we don't control shift I, the picture is the cutting, but this is the way, no, the way. Okay, and then control X. That's it. Nothing is the background left. Okay, so again, this boy, we transfer it in the new background, no? Okay, just go to the pick tool, go to here and then erase. Okay, that's it. And then we enlarge the picture. Just drag this and then hold the shift key. Okay, yeah, that's it, no? You have to, if you want to go to here or even here, but this is the right position. Okay, and then this man is okay. So that's it, guys. That's it. That's it. Thank you very much for your ano. Don't just remember, if you want to try to delete the background of any kind of any pictures, if you want, just go to this kind of tools in Photoshop. Pin tool, okay? Pin tool. And then you surround the pictures that you want to delete, no? And then if you want to transfer to another background, it's easy, okay? That's it. And thank you guys. Salamat. Thank you. And God bless. Thank you.